Picture a string of pearls scattered across the Indian Ocean. This is the Maldives. Not a single landmass but over 1,000 coral islands, each a speck of sand and palm, surrounded by turquoise waters. While famous for luxury resorts, the Maldives is much more than a holiday destination. It's the world's lowest-lying country, just 1.5 meters above sea level, making it both precious and vulnerable. The islands form 26 natural atolls, the crowns of an underwater mountain range, creating vibrant marine sanctuaries. The ocean is the lifeblood of the Maldivian people, shaping their history, language, and art. For centuries, Maldivians have navigated these waters, developing a unique resilience and deep respect for nature. To truly know the Maldives, look beyond the beaches to the intricate web of life connecting people and sea. Our journey will explore Male's bustling streets, ancient stories, and a culture shaped by global influences. We'll dive into clear waters to witness the dazzling life on the reef. This is the real Maldives, astonishing beauty, deep history, vibrant culture, and a people as enduring as the tides. It's a story of survival, adaptation, and profound beauty. Join us as we uncover the heart of this extraordinary island nation. The Maldives awaits. The Maldivian story begins over 2,500 years ago with settlers from southern India and Sri Lanka. Buddhism flourished for centuries, leaving behind coral-built stupas and monasteries. In the 12th century, Islam became the state religion, forever shaping Maldivian identity. The islands resisted foreign powers, from the Portuguese to the British, preserving their unique culture. Independence came in 1965, and today, the Maldives stands as a resilient nation shaped by waves of change. Maldivian culture is a mosaic of South Asian Arab and African influences. The Divehin speak Divehi, a melodic language with its own script binding the nation together. Islam is central with daily life marked by prayer, community, and hospitality. Festivals like Eid bring families together for feasting, music, and games. Bodu Baru drumming and dance, rooted in East African rhythms, fill the islands with energy. Handicrafts like lacquer work and woven mats showcase Maldivian artistry. Life moves at a gentle pace, fishing at dawn afternoons in the shade, children playing in sandy streets. This is a world where connection and tranquility matter most. The Maldives offers 3 island experiences: resort, local, and uninhabited. Resort islands are private paradises, luxury villas, infinity pools, and world-class service. Local islands, now open to visitors, offer authentic glimpses into Maldivian life. Walk sandy streets, share beaches, and connect with families. Guest houses make this experience accessible and culturally rich. Uninhabited picnic islands are untouched, wild, and serene, perfect for day trips and solitude. Each island type offers a different journey: luxury, culture, or raw nature. Choose your adventure, or experience all 3 for a complete picture of the Maldives. The diversity of these islands is what makes the nation truly extraordinary. Whether you seek indulgence, authenticity, or wilderness, the Maldives delivers. Here, every island tells its own story. The Maldives' true magic lies beneath the surface coral reefs teeming with life. Snorkeling and diving reveal parrotfish, turtles, manta rays, and even whale sharks. Strict guidelines protect these gentle giants, balancing tourism and conservation. Above water, calm lagoons invite paddleboarding, kayaking, and sailing. For thrill seekers, windsurfing and parasailing offer stunning views. Sunset cruises on traditional donis are unforgettable. At night, some beaches glow with bioluminescent plankton, a surreal sea of stars. Every adventure, from reef to open ocean, is a reminder of the Maldives' natural wonders. Here, the ocean is both playground and protector. Dive in and discover a world like no other. Maldivian cuisine is shaped by the sea. Tuna, coconut, and rice are staples. Mas huni, a breakfast of smoked tuna, coconut, onion, and chili, is a must-try. Roshi flatbread completes the meal, fueling island mornings. For lunch or dinner, try mas riha, tuna curry, or garudia, clear fish broth. Hedika, savory and sweet snacks, are enjoyed with tea in the afternoon. Popular bites include gula, fried tuna balls, and bhajia, spiced pastries. Every dish reflects the island's history and resourcefulness. To taste Maldivian food is to taste the spirit of the islands. The Maldives' beauty is fragile. Rising seas and coral bleaching threaten its future. Maldivians are passionate guardians, leading sustainability efforts. Many resorts use solar power, desalinate water, and support coral regeneration. Guesthouse tourism spreads benefits to local communities and encourages responsible travel. Visitors can help, use reef-safe sunscreen, avoid single-use plastics, and respect local customs. Beach cleanups and conservation talks empower everyone to protect the islands. The best time to visit is the dry season, but the Maldives welcomes travelers year-round. With mindful choices, we can help preserve this paradise. The Maldives is a living example of harmony between people and nature.